How to add credit card to Discord. If you want to add credit card to Discord, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch Discord, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then from here, basically what you have to do is you want to simply go to this tab right here and go to user settings. Once you go to user settings under payment settings, you can see billing. So just go to billing, and over here you can see add payment method. So just go to add payment method option. So here you can select the payment type as a card, and once you select the card, just enter your credit card number, the expiration date, the CVC code, and then your name on the card. Then click on the next option to save the changes. This way you'll be able to basically add credit card to Discord. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.